In this video, we're going to construct a line that is parallel to a given line and passes through a given point. So to start with, we need a line. There's our line, AB, and we need a point. And I'm going to take away this little segment here. Let's hide it. We don't need that. Alright, so when we're done, I'm going to be able to grab this line here and move it around, and as I do, there'll be a line that passes through C and stays parallel to the original line. And I'll be able to move this point C around in and out, and the line that's attached to it will stay parallel to line AB down here. We're going to use a method that's called the angle copy method, I guess. I've seen it called that. Works for me. It works kind of like this. First, I'm going to start by connecting these 2 points of the line. I'm going to take away this segment here. And there's an angle down here. Now I'm basically going to copy that angle up here, so that as I close this up, the angle up here closes up, open it up, the angle up here is going to open up, and that angle will tell us how to place that parallel line. By the way, they're called corresponding angles. That's what we're going to be building. Okay, so in order to copy the angle, first I'm going to draw a circle down here, and then I'm going to mark where that circle crosses over here. So the measure of the angle, how wide open it is, one way of measuring it is to basically pick a location that's so far out from the angle and measure how far apart these 2 points are. So the distance from E to A and D to A are the same, and so far out on the angle, the two sides of the angle are so far apart, and that kind of tells us how big the angle is. So to do that, I'm going to take my compass tool. I'm going to mark that same circle up here. So now as I make this bigger or smaller, let's see, that I'll make this circle up here bigger or smaller. So I'm marking that same distance out from C as it is down here. So I've copied this segment right here. This segment here. In fact, we'll go ahead and put a point right there. You can see how as EA grows, FC grows with it. Next, we have to see how far apart E is from D. So we'll mark that distance with a circle. All right. And so the radius of the small circle tells us how far apart E is from D, and wherever D is. So then, I'm going to take my compass tool, mark that distance, I'm going to place it up here. So now F is that same distance from the place where these two circles intersect. So I've just copied these two circles, copied them up here. So I'll put a point right here at their intersection. So now, as these two circles down here grow, the two circles here up here grow with them. And finally, since we have from A to D here, we have a line, we're going to draw that same line from C to G. So now, as I shrink up angle EAD, you'll see the other line shrinks with it, and the two lines stay parallel. And to wrap this up, we're just going to go ahead and kind of hide these circles. We don't need them anymore. They're just kind of messy. Okay, I'm going to take away point E. I'm just going to hide that. We don't need it. This segment here, I'm going to hide that. And then point D, we don't need that. We're going to hide it. Okay. Now I want to mark these two angles, and they are corresponding angles. So let's mark them here. B, A, C, and G, C, F. You can see these two angles stay the same. Okay. All the time, the two lines stay parallel. And just kind of clean things up a little bit more. We don't need point F up here. We don't need point G. I'm going to hide all that. So now, if I move C in and out, the line stays parallel, like I said it would. I can move B, or I can move A, and the lines stay parallel. This line follows, it tracks with it. And we're done. Good luck with that.